Motorola has shared a teaser for what appears to be the Motorola Edge 60. The image shows the front of the phone with a punch-hole display and the text "A camera as edgy as you are" along with "coming soon." The design and timing suggest this is the standard Edge 60 model. The phone features a 6.7-inch POLT quad curved display with 10-bit color depth. It is Pantone validated for color and skin tone accuracy. It also supports Dolby Atmos for better audio. The Edge 60 comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. It runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. The rear camera setup includes a 50MP Sony LYTI A700C main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide and macro camera, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and up to 30x super zoom. A 50MP front camera. It comes with a 5200 mAh battery that supports 68W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.